This is how we move around in style. Sure glad there's no safety officer around.
All right, somebody gets about halfway up the stand and someone just feeds. We can get this done in just a couple of minutes. Got it? I think you,
Let's see. Let's try.
Yeah, just once I get them up there, I can organize them. I don't want to grab that fusing.
I'll give you the handle in first.
Thank you. Ew, they're dirty.
The dirty bomb.
They're dirty bombs.
Probably the best kind in this instance. These are what, 250?
Yeah.
These would have been 250.
Yeah, these would have been 250.
Trying to do this without hurting myself worse.
Ooh, I hear a little rust powder in that one.
Yep.
Well, as long as Jordan's not around, we're not back any worse.
She is not bad luck. Hey, hello, Chris. What's that?
She's in a new hangar.
She is. Just not with the new lighting yet.
Yeah. About in the studio.
All right. Yep. Careful, we don't want a detonation.
Or a dent.
All right. So, aside from moving our dummy bombs, what we're doing is, now that she's back here at home, we're getting everything that would have been over in her original hangar, moving all that stuff over to here. So, like the bench with the ejection seat parts, some of the workbenches, and some other tools and things that need to come over or should be over. And then we're trying to tidy up and rearrange things as best possible, because we want the hangar where she used to be able to accept another airplane like the A-4 if we ever, like if she needs to come back for whatever reason. So that's what we got going on at the moment. So now I gotta go get I gotta go fire up the tug that we're gonna keep over here. So as part of this this gave us a great opportunity to organize things in a more cohesive way, I should say. Hey, where do we want to keep the Dash 60?
Oh, well, that will keep down there with us.
Oh, down in one?
Yeah.
All right.
Where are we at with the NC8?
I just need to put that relay in it.
Okay, so we have everything we need. It just needs to be installed.
Ish.
Okay.
It's find the time to do it.
Right.
But this is a little bit more priority.
No, absolutely, yeah. Once we committed to this needed to get done.
Yes.
But, I mean, can you already see how much better this is going to be?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
We're going to love this.
Yes.
Once it gets back to maintenance time, it's going to be nice.
I can't wait till we get back to operational time.
Yeah, you and me both.
All right, well, I've been tasked to go get the other forklift, but that's over at Vietnam War Flight Museum, so let's fire this up. Ah, seriously? It's in neutral. I did battery. Typical. That should do the trick. All right, let's give her a go now. Choke. Aha, there it is. All right, let's see if fuel start. Ah, there we go. All right, let's get her over to our hangar. All right, now I need you.
There's a stand outside.
You're clear here.
Good deal. Let me get the blue stand out of the way.
Spare engine for the A4. Exciting stuff, let me tell you. What's this, broom hockey? On guard! Safety!
I need an adult.
What's the safety guy around?
We did not do a safety briefing for this jousting session.
Someone might lose an eye.
That's right.
I'm not going for the eyes. I got the reach. I'm going for the testicles.
Stop.
Alright. Don't wave me, stop.
Alright, we can get to the stuff behind it. We can get through here. We got more than enough room here.
Hey, I'm glad you cleaned the windshield. The pilots might gripe if we didn't. Yeah.
He still missed us.
Alright, we're done with that forklift. That means I gotta go chase after him and pick him up with the Kawasaki there. Cool. Got a lot of good stuff done today. Keep coming. To your left. Slow down, please. Am I looking? Keep it coming. You're a little crooked. I was tough to keep turning.
That's good. Just stop there. That's fine.
Are you going to be able to plug in?
Yes. We need to slide the Kawasaki over a little bit.
Alright. Perfect.
Hang on. Can you see a camera? That was hard. We should get in some better shape.
Right. Well, that was a solid day's worth of work, even if it wasn't terribly exciting. But we got a lot of the support equipment back where it needs to be. That's part of the pain in the butt process of doing something this big, with moving her from where she has been living for over 10 years down to this hangar. But gives us a great chance to clean up and really focus on what needs to be with the airplane, which is nice. And we got a clean hangar out of this process too. So more to follow, and I'm gonna keep plugging away at her. We want her back in the air soon. Anyway, thanks a bunch, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.